Well, that was something. Said I thought the low might be in and probably the high as well. So far, the high of the day is holding. I was thinking of this red line right here, the 68.75, in terms of a law of proportion. That's part of a 456 trade, and one that I thought might come into play. That's why I put this chart on and put this as a 60-minute chart. You can see the tails that formed down here. We could not really hold the beach ball back here. And then when we started to sit at this 30 line right in here, where I said, be careful because it seems like we're making higher highs and higher lows. The rotation had changed. Then anything goes. And it just felt like the normal place to get out if you're long side is going to be that 56.75, 56 area. Anywhere near that prior days 56 and a quarter. And obviously anything above that, good fortune, which you're going to leave chips on the table a day like today. What you want to do is certainly not get caught going to the well too many times, and late shorts today got clobbered. They've still had a very good week and still very much in control, in my opinion. 31 is obviously going to have to be considered for the next few days. Anybody that has had a great day today, I'm thinking is going to take some profits. And that's the reason for, if you're going to look for another re-entry short today, you're going to want to use that, say, 68.75 to 72 resistance. When the squeeze came, I was right about the funnel. It held the blue line, the slope line, and then we took off, got the rain line. Recent years I found we will get above the rain line, but it's still going to be an important part of trading for the next day or so. And a lot of times they'll just run the stops. This felt like a stop run was coming to knock out those 52s and then just keep eating all the way those traders who had the misfortune of overstaying and just had to keep paying up in that squeeze. And there's a 5 RTH chart. There's a quick look at a 2, and that's one of the reasons why I like these moving averages, because they blend together so well. So I'm looking at a fast pace now, a 2-minute chart, and you can see just how we held into that 30 zone. That was 28.5, I believe, the low here. And then once we came out, just kept on squeezing and trapping those traders. So you can use these in whatever variety you want, 1s or 3s or 5s or whatever. Here's a 3, and I oftentimes like to see a 3-minute chart. Gives you a little heads up on the 5s. And you can see same principle. We held back in here on the 3-minute chart on the blue line, and we were off to the races and running. Here's your lunge bounce, and then when traders look for re-entry short side, it comes right back, and this is the rip your face off bounce. Here's a 10-minute variety, and you can see we're ahead of ourselves, way ahead of the green line. This was a in-your-face shorts. We got you, and just trying to punch back, and the boys did a great job today of defending basically 1800 and pushing back strongly. Note how once we get above this blue line, pink line is the next reference line basis that chart. All right, anybody who's taking an end-of-day short using that 1868.75 resistance zone that we showed you, I'm looking at a 15-minute Globex chart. Reminder, the 5 is a fast chart on this variety. Come back in, and first target look for is that 56 and a quarter, where traders got trapped if they were shorting that 55, 75, 56 area. And anything below that's the good fortune part right now. And this should be a profit-taking swing from longs day trade longs who've had a great day. So wrapping it up for eminywizard.com. There's a great trade short side. Those of you who got caught earlier and took your stop out, tough to chase it when it's really running hard and long, because who knows how long and where. Our rule of thumb is the later in the day and the higher the price, the better the odds for this profit-taking swing. So anybody coming into obviously 50 to 49, 49 and a quarter, make sure you're paid coming here for end-of-day profit-taking by the late shorts. Be well. This is E signing off.